Hi guys, today we are going to be playing with one bear and three dogs. Okay, so we can get started with a video. I don't know if I made any videos with long sleeves, but it's starting to be fall and winter, so probably my first video with long sleeves. I like it. It's dinosaurs actually skiing. Look, it has a pocket too. Okay, good. Okay, so first thing I'm going to show you is the bear. He's super cute, cozy, and his little stompy feet and hands. Boop. Okay, so he has a cute little tie. So I think he did come with the tag, but I named him Goldilocks. Okay, bye Goldilocks. Okay, our next thing is this dog here. Look how fluffy he is. Okay, so he's so fluffy. He also has stumpy feet, not that stumpy hands, but cute hands. Anyway, he has floppy ears. His little nose. Oh, beep, beep, beep. Wait. Look, I'll do. Odd. You guys can't see him die. Okay, anyway, we're done with him. Bye. And you guys are gonna love him. Look, oh, I can't fit you in the screen. Okay, guys, I have to get out of my chair and sitting. Okay. Look how big he is. He's super big and fluffy. He has a big giant belly and floppy hands, not really stumpy, and stumpy feet, and like his head, like. So I'll get the big one back. Look, brown feet. So, wondering if they came together. They came together. But you can't put them together, right? Well, you actually can. If you were wondering, you can. Okay, so these are both very soft and cozy. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, yes, look. I think you can see him. You know, you can see him. I'm going to put him on my back. Oh, yeah. Giddy up, yay! Okay, let's see more. Now I can show you how to put them together. Okay, so I'm gonna put them together. I'll show you all of them in one, like in the phone at one time. Okay, so I'm almost done. And look, if you can, look. Well, I can't see. There's Velcro. Both of his hands, okay. Lucky, Mr. Doggy Fluffy. Now they can. Okay, yeah. Okay. Do you see the baby? Okay, we'll set you aside. And goodbye. Come back on the screen, and now we're sitting back down. That feels good again. Now we have this little puppy here. And that's good, but he has, like, he's all tan. Here, comment down below what you want to call him. A golden retriever or a mini golden doodle. Okay, so I'm gonna make him look. He's very cute, Mr. Face. Okay, so that's just noise from my mom and my babysitter. Okay. So look, he's doing the splits. Okay, now I'm gonna make him sit in like his style, like that. And you're gonna make a back. Okay, so that's really all for today with his waggy tail, wag. Okay, so that's very cute. Okay, goodbye. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below which one you want to call him? Boom. Golden Retriever or a mini Golden Doodle. Bye.